Hey, what's up guys? This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to jailbreak any version of your iPhone. The only disclaimer is you cannot jailbreak iPhones 11 and up. You can only jailbreak iPhones 10 and down, but it is any version. So first what you're going to want to do is just go to the Checkrain website and you're just going to download it. I'm on Mac, so it says download for Mac, so I'd click that and I'd download the file, which is right here, and it takes you through the rest of the steps. I already have it downloaded right here, so I'm just going to open it up. And here is my iPhone 8, non-jailbroken. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to jailbreak it. So as you guys can see, it says welcome to Checkrain right at the top over here, and it tells you what iPhone you're about to jailbreak, and all you're going to do is just click start, and it's just telling you it's going to be put into DFU mode, and you just go to next, and now your iPhone's going to enter recovery mode. So we're just going to wait for that real quick. All right, so now it is in recovery mode, and then now you just have one more step before it starts the jailbreak process. So as you can see, it says click start up here. It says press and hold the side and volume down buttons together. Release the side button, but keep holding the volume down button. All right, so you're just gonna press start, and as soon as you press start, you need to start your pressing your buttons. So it says press and hold the side and volume down buttons. So the side button would be my power button, the volume down button. So I'm going to start it and start holding those. I release the power button and keep holding the volume down button. And it says device enter DFU mode successfully. And now we just wait. And as you can see, the little loading bar in the background. And now our iPhone will start its jailbreaking process. As you guys can see, it gives a cool little animation. It's almost done. I always just like to look at this part just because it looks cool, but it's almost done. As you can see in the background, it's booting right now. But guys, it's literally this simple. I mean, it doesn't take a whole lot of work. You just download this file. It's only like 9 megabytes, and you can jailbreak any device, iPhone X and down, and any version. So, should almost be done here. And don't unplug your phone until it says done right here, right where my mouse is. I know the light's in the way right here, but right where the mouse is, it says done. And don't unplug your phone until it says done. Otherwise, you're gonna screw the whole thing up and have to restart. And for some reason, it just said it failed, so I'm gonna click done, but I'm gonna see what happens. I'm gonna wait a second. I'm gonna try the process again. Alright guys, so there it is. My phone is now jailbroken. I already had a bunch of tweaks downloaded to it. So once I re-jailbroke it, it just automatically puts all the tweaks back up. And there it is. So now you'll have Cydia and all that stuff. If you guys would like to know any tweaks, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll do a video on just like my top 10 favorite tweaks. But here is Cydia right there. As you can see, we can open it up. Make sure to like the video if this was any use to you guys, and subscribe for more content like this. And yeah, here's Cydia right here. You can search all your stuff and add sources, and there it is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.